我刚把牛头人家递过出，你把它抽完才回去是。我再回我俩你啥的。
啊，不能不。OK，
谢谢啊，下次再来啊。你这活咱不敢说深了，就对呀，深了就下雨水流不到，不往上吹了，刚对着这样。
When they are not very busy, then they will find something.
Good morning. So we're doing a road trip today. We go to another
One there, that building.
Oh yeah, oh that one.
Yeah, with Yu's mother.
Yeah. Driving at 180, 170. I saw a flying on the BMW. Driving at 180 even though the highway speed is available.
It's not a BMW.
Oh, sorry. On the Benz, yeah, sorry. We're flying on the Benz. We know the high speed is about 120 on the road, but we're actually on 180. Yeah.
The campus. You know, there's also an important thing is Beijing Time's location. Because this is in the middle of China,
Yeah.
between the north and the south.
Yeah.
So that's why they made a campus here.
Okay.
Yeah.
哎，你扫不成吗？
能扫。
你能扫看，现在把它往上来的。
好，谢谢。
好，小心。
Just drink. Oh, so many food.
You need to put the vegetables inside.
Inside the food? Oh, okay. Sure.
辣椒蒜片。
This is like a classic, most expensive breakfast. Wow. Some traditional breakfast here. I guess I'm eating the puchen burger. It's like one of the traditional burgers. Delicious soup here. It's so nice. Let's try it.
是要吃馍噻，看到没有？这是馍馍干子。
Country food.
A country road.
这应该叫 town road.
A town road. Okay. So now, let's go inside my village. This is my beautiful village. It is so nice. You've got the place where we keep the animals from. Like here, even though we're not keeping the animals inside now, but this is the compound in my village. Look like it's kind of beautiful and simple. We've got the fire station there because we use the firewood for cooking here. We've got some flowers here.
锅，
Okay.
好，
好，谢谢。
这是我三姑。
Welcome to the village bedroom. This is my bedroom I'm sleeping from.
Yeah.
We can cook from this table here.
This is a stove.
This is stove. We
Yeah.
can chimney to go outside.
Chimney, go outside.
And this is the bed.
This is a con, not a bed.
It is so hot.
This is a con. Yeah. So where you can make a fire. So how to make the bed warm?
So if
Yeah.
you want to make the bed warm,
There is
you
a
need to open
cave.
this.
Yeah,
And
in
this
this
has
cave,
Yeah.
you can make a fire to make the bed warm But remember,
Yes.
after the bed, a little bit cool down, then you can sleep. Otherwise, you will be done.
I thought that if you put the fire inside, by the time you're gonna breaking up, you're gonna be barbecue.
You will be meat.
Yes. So it's more like the traditional kind of heating system.
Yeah,
And there are some shelves here.
yeah.
Oh, this is so beautiful. When I try to jump on the bed, so I'm having like a bucket. But I like it. And now
Okay.
my traditional stove for cooking some water.
Yeah.
And this is my traditional
TV.
For you guys who are
These are
born
old
in
TV.
2005, 2006, 7, I guess you've never seen this kind of a TV. This is the real TV which we used to use
Yeah,
like when we were young. Also, my grandmother used to have this kind of a beautiful TV.
yeah.
So if somebody has got this big TV like this in the olden days, it means that you're a very rich person.
Yeah.
Because it is a very big screen, you know. But there are also those which are like tiny. Those tiny ones, though, for those who don't have a lot of money, the tiny fridge, the small.
What is this
TV.
brand? Oh, it's Kongjia.
Oh, Konka.
Konka.
It's Konka. Yeah.
Yeah.
So thank you for joining the village. And peace.
Alright, bye.
Yeah, sure. Guys, so we're gonna be eating some delicious breakfast here. And the village is so cool. It smells so nice, so delicious. The breakfast looks so beautiful here. Like, I'm so happy. We're in the county, and then like we're gonna have this beautiful.
Hey, sir.
Yes, sir. Whoa.
Pure mango.
Seriously?
Yeah, the pure wheat, without
Wow.
any additions.
So this is the
This is the true color of the
pure
wheat.
one? Yeah, it's so brown.
Yeah.
Wow, so cool. Hey guys, so today we're at the village and they just served us the very special 5-star breakfast here. We ate all these beautiful foods like over here. Wow, I really like the villages. I think I'm gonna shift to the villages so that I can be eating some nice food every day. I work and then also eat some nice food. Made a big party for me here in the villages. A lot of
好呢，它原来不是那样的，
这么后换了
它原来是180这样，
啊对，
真是要7
no thank you, sir.
这么好吃饭，
咱给你打这样好。
对对，正好这么子，你拿卫生棉找。
Hello. Even the eyes.
这花帐跟炸。
It's a well.
It's a well?
Water inside. Look.
中午，
不用水的。
哎，真不用了，肯定是水的。原来
This is where the water comes from for using?
I don't know. Maybe.
Interesting.
It's always got the trucks.
I can see he's like
Tractor.
yeah, it's a tractor. Yeah.
It's,
Yeah. Going to graveyard. My friends come back. Hey guys, hope you're all doing good. So we are actually here. It is the Chinese traditional festival. They call it the Qingming. What's Qingming Day in English?
Qingming means sweeping tomb sweeping day.
Yeah, so I was taking part in the tomb sweeping day for the first time. And yeah, it was an adventure. But thank you for checking on us. And yeah, thank you. I need to take off now. Sure. So guys, we're trying to remember our grandmother. And we're trying to plant some trees here, like on the ground. Yeah.
不着凉，不着伤感。
招人啊！年年有人家对点的，早上出去爬山，吹上一块。对了，果然不敢叫深了，就对了，深了就下雨水流不到，不往上吹了，刚好对了这样。
OK。
好了，好了，好了，不
So after digging the holes for planting the trees, we have to prepare the money to burn it, to send it to the dead grandmother in appreciation or celebration of her life or memorial. And then later, after the money finished burning, we had to plant the trees, water them, clean the burial site even though I couldn't show it. Guys, this is so beautiful. It feels magical. I'm just in the plants here. Oh, the pollen is on my cloth. I was actually playing here with the plants and the pollen is stuck on all over my jacket. It's so beautiful. I go for the picture now. Yeah, the picture.
Yeah, this is a video.
Hey guys, so I'm in the farm today. I've been taking care of the plants here, you know. I'm so tired. I'm from the farm here today. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm really having fun in the villages of China. And it's now time to go. Goodbye.
Okay.
是老师，英语老师。
头子没这个。我刚把留
好了，你还对过抽，你把它抽完才回去是。
你这个你密着的。
好了。
好了。
啊，我就把你密着，我就把密着。
我抽的气喘吁吁。
Let's go to the kitchen.
So this is for cooking. We have to give it to the kitchen. We've got some other dry wood over here.
Oh. Let's go. Oh, we're going to the kitchen.
Okay, this is our kitchen. And we cook from here.
Yeah.
This is the kitchen. Some bread was made here. Some apples here. And then we've got a stove here. We also use the stove for cooking. I need to wash my hands. I've finished washing now. We have tap running water. Thank you guys for watching my video. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Is that over? God only knows what it. I think I want to jump up. Can I jump up? Hey guys, so spring is here.
Oh, sure.
And the flowers here.
Sure.
Oh gosh, oh gosh.
啥？说壶酒啊，是壶酒啊，那里头，这是老二的啊。其实不是桌子是，你上到那头，小伙。
Hello, sir.
Hey guys, so
Welcome to my hometown.
Thank you so much. I like the hometown. I
Yeah.
really enjoyed the experience of the farmland.
Yeah.
And everything is so beautiful.
Okay.
Thank you.
我带回木兰你啥？
好，
Okay.
谢谢。
下次再来啊！
好，
我儿子比你年龄还大，
真的吗？他多大了
我儿子37了，
？37了。
我女儿36了。
那我叫你妈妈。
叫姑姑就可以了。
姑姑那可以
对
可以
啊，跟她一样的叫姑姑啊。好。
谢谢。Okay. That's quite a long time.
即将经过环岛，
So the family knows that they live together, right?
Yeah.
The only difference is they don't have a kid, but they've been together for 7 years.
Yeah.
Guys, so we're now at the center of China. As we're on the travel here, on the journey, going back home. And this is the highway. Self-driving. With my friend Mr. Matthew. We're from the villages now. The villages, village town. East. And the BMW is just driving itself like over there. And we're sitting. Just came to check on it. Thank you. Would you come out in my video? Please.
Let's go.
Different kinds of delicious foods here, like that.
Yeah.
And look, they're so happy. Look. Yeah. They're so happy.
Yes. 渭南。
渭南。Nice to meet you.
Wenan Normal University. Wenan Normal University. 渭南师范学院吗 ？No.
渭南技术学院。
Are you studying?
啊，你怎么说中国话？
你学的是吧？
那时候是我学校的老师。
你学是什么呢？
我觉得
护理。
Nursing.
真的吗？那是你学。
He's a doctor.
啊，那好的，大连的，那可以。
我是早就变了的。
你现在是晚上还是？
对，我今天陪我朋友来看到了。
上坟起来，赶快上坟起来。
哦。
啊。
那就是上。
你是哪里的
South Africa.
Nice to meet you.
清楚。
Nice to meet you. 你好，不知道不是。我认识我不一定有人学英语。My name is Kenny. 所以是公生。英文名字。没有吗？没有。
您给你起个英文名。
你说。
现在吗？
现金没带现金。
I just put some persimmon. This is my favorite food in China. My favorite fruit. It's really nice. And yeah, we buy this stuff.
富平是中国柿子之乡，独特的气候条件为柿。
So in Fuping, this place is known for the persimmons. What else is it known for apart from the persimmons?
Fuping. Hello.
Hey guys.
We've arrived at the Fuping, right?
Fuping, yeah. What is Fuping known for?
Is, pardon?
What is Fuping known for?
Known for Fuping is known for dried persimmons,
Yeah. Yeah.
and some candies.
What kind of
Yeah.
candies?
The handmade candies.
Okay.
It's so famous around the China.
Okay.
Yeah, and also Fuping is a place
Yeah.
where President Xi Jinping
Yeah.
was born.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay.
So we're in the historical city.
yeah.
And it's so beautiful. Yeah.
All right.
So just got some persimmons here. I'm gonna eat them. At least I've stepped into Fuping, where President Xi comes from, and I also bought myself some nice food here. So I'll have fun. Thank you for watching my video, guys.